Downloading data from Airbnb can be useful for various purposes, such as analysis or personal record keeping. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Airbnb account. Visit the Airbnb website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account that contains the data you wish to download. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to a profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Data Download option. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Data where you can find options related to your personal data. There should be an option to download your data. Step 4. Request data download. Click on the Data Download option. You may be prompted to specify the type of data you want to download, such as reservation history, messages, or account activity. Select your preferences and submit your request. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive a notification via email or through the Airbnb platform. Follow the instructions provided to download your data file, which is typically in a compressed format like ZIP. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your data from Airbnb. Make sure to keep it secure and review it as needed.